Okay, this is the wobble test. I got 3 5 by 6 millimeter screws, but I didn't have the tolerance good for them to thread correctly into the plastic, so I'll have to redo that. The center of this wants to line up with the center of this. So this outside ring could be braced against something. I don't really have a lot of room to grab hold of it, so hopefully I won't hit my fingers on the gearing. I go real slow though. I think if I can have some way to support this outer ring, I think it probably will work. It's not nearly as wobbly as I thought it was going to be. The gears are a little loose, but I got a really tight tolerance with if I go too fast, I might hurt my fingers. There we go. They are a little loose. Maybe too loose.